Hey everyone, Microsoft OneNote makes collaboration simple by letting you share notebooks with coworkers, classmates, friends, or family members. Whether you're working on a group project, sharing meeting notes, or planning an event together, shared notebooks help everyone stay on the same page. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share notebooks in Microsoft OneNote step by step, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Then open the notebook you want to share. For the best experience, make sure the notebook is stored in OneDrive so others can access it online. Next, click the Share button, which is usually located near the upper right corner of the OneNote window. This opens the sharing options for your notebook. Enter the email address of the person or people you'd like to invite. Depending on your version of OneNote, you can also adjust whether they can edit the notebook or only view its contents. After selecting the appropriate permissions, click Send to share the notebook. Your recipients will receive an invitation that allows them to open the notebook using their Microsoft account. Once your collaborators open the notebook, everyone can work together in real time. New notes, edits, and updates are automatically synchronized, making teamwork much easier. If you ever need to change access later, reopen the share settings to update permissions or remove someone's access. So, you stay in control of who can view or edit your notebook at any time. And that's how to share notebooks in Microsoft OneNote. Sharing makes it easy to collaborate, stay organized, and keep everyone working with the latest information. I mean, it's one of the best features for team projects and shared planning. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.